So good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
We are on day 7. We are in Zabjak at Montenegro horse riding. There's the horses over there. And today I told you there's gonna be something different.
Today we're gonna have a relaxing day from the motorcycle. Just a day going around with the horses and some free time. Something different and relaxing.
We're gonna have 1 horsepower today. They are preparing the horses over there, as you can see. And this is the scenery surrounding all the area. We'll see how it goes. It's our first time on the horse, so we'll see how it's gonna go. Just pray for us. So now it's my turn. Please pray for me. Okay, so now we just left. We just started our horse riding tour. First impressions, it's different from a motorbike. Beautiful pond. The horses are eating and having a rest, and we are enjoying and stretching our legs and enjoying the mountain over there. So we're gonna continue the journey back, another 1.5 hours back, because the trip consists of 3 hours. So we started at 10 and it's nearly 2 hours in, to be honest. So now we have to go back where we came from, but it's an amazing experience. How was the horse riding?
Horse riding was very nice. It was an experience, a relaxing day, passing through the mountains and through the valleys and that lake. It was a peaceful and relaxing day.
Perfect. So now we are at this place. The guy, he gave us a very, very warm welcome. So he offered us a local wine, which is Pro Anima. It tastes very nice. He gave us some bread. And we're gonna have the last dinner here in Zabjak. And tomorrow we'll start to heading down.
Joseph.
And Joseph opted for a day off. What did you do, Joseph, today on your day off?
I ride with the bike, because I really don't like horses, huh? And I went for a couple of beers too.
And he went to the city and he enjoyed himself just down there. So we are having, as a starter, we're having me and Adrian beef soup, traditional beef soup. And Joseph opted for cream of mushroom. And we have a beautiful Montenegrin local wine. And later we're gonna have the meats and stuff like that. We'll see you later.
Cheers.
So good morning, it's Sunday morning. We're leaving Zabjak. This is the place that we had dinner last night. Over here, we had a nice time. So, in today's direction, we're gonna go to Kotor. As a local told us from the restaurant last night, he told us if there's a cruise ship, it will be very busy. Okay, so we're hoping that there is no cruise ships today, so we can enjoy the bay of Kotor and enjoy the surroundings. Apparently Kotor is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, it's beautiful to see, so we can have a wander there, and then we make our way up again to our hotel. We'll see you later, guys. So we are enjoying the last moments of Zabjak, the mountain range over there. Okay, loads of empty space over there. We went horse riding yesterday just down the valley on the left hand side. So yes, we're just enjoying the last moments of the mountain range before we're gonna head down. Well, obviously heading down up to the city is gonna be more hotter, it's gonna be more crowded, but apparently Kotor and the famous Serpentine Road, it's very nice to visit. So we're gonna make our way down there, and it's obviously our way down to make the time to go to the Croatia to get the ferry from Dubrovnik to Bari. So we have to go down anyway, but just enjoy with me the last moments of Zabjak and of its mountain range. It's beautiful, it's stunning. So yesterday the guy from the restaurant told us that they had snow till the very last month, so we were very lucky to meet with this weather. The weather at the moment here, it's 18 degrees. Well, it's 7:30 in the morning nearly, so it's very comfortable to ride in. And we left early, so we won't have lots of traffic, and because of the sun, so we won't be that hot. But just enjoy the scenery, guys. Beautiful. Tirsa, we've been to Tirsa, you see? Where was that motorbike cafe? Tirsa, it's all from down there, we've been there. That's Tirsa, it's situated in the Dormitor National Park. It's not bad for a Sunday ride. Very much different what I'm used to for a Sunday ride, that's for sure. So we are in this tunnel coming in and out of Zabjak, and I can tell you that the temperature dropped around 3 to 4 degrees. Outside the tunnel was around 18 degrees, 19 degrees, and here it's around 15. Honestly, it's freezing. Yeah, so I'm hoping that this tunnel ends soon, but I know that from coming into Zabjak, the tunnel is quite long. That is the pleasure of riding bikes. Temperature change, smells, the feel of freedom. So now we'll have the Ostrog Monastery. It's an Orthodox monastery, Catholic, Buddhism, where all the religions comes into one. Okay, the road leading to it, it's not very big. It's quite narrow, and when two cars meet with each other, it's quite challenging. So if you come with a car, make sure you know that you're not afraid, you're quite skilled and stuff like that. If you come with a camper van, it's quite challenging if you meet with other vehicles. With a motorbike it's fun because there is plenty of hairpins, very tight hairpins, which is quite interesting. But if you come with a vehicle, it's quite challenging, so you have to make sure that you're able to drive into those conditions. Apart from that, the scenery, it's amazing. Very nice scenery, beautiful. We'll see you later, guys. We're going down now to Kotor, on our way to Kotor. Okay, we're going to do the Serpentine, but first we're gonna stop at a very famous bar which is called the Horizon Bar. And when this Horizon Bar will stop, that's the beginning of the Serpentine. So it's around 100 kilometers from here, and we'll stop at this Horizon Bar. Good afternoon, guys. We arrived on top of Kotor. Over here we are at the Horizon Bar, which is situated up there, and this is the view that this bar offers. That is Kotor Bay down there. As you can see, there is a cruise ship over there, and that is Kotor Center. The views are amazing. What do you think, Adrian?
It's one of the nicest place I ever seen. It's a fantastic place. It's magical. It's really a nice spot. I recommend everybody who is in this area to come to this bar and have a look from here. You can have the view from the street, but from this bar you can have a beer and admire this view.
So this is the view coming out from the Horizon Bar. So we changed the plans. We're not gonna do the Serpentine today because it's quite hot, and we're gonna go for a rest now. We'll see you later, guys. Ciao!